and production, the Ministry of Agriculture's Crop and Research Equipment Fiji Limited, Corporate Millers of Fiji,
Bulavinaka, and thank you very much for inviting me today, Permanent Secretary. Today we are here to witness the handing over of 5 tractors to assist our farmers for land preparations in all the 4 divisions. The assistance from Japanese government is in recognition of agriculture as a key sector of our economy that is invested to drive our economy forward. On behalf of the government, the Fijian government, I wish to express my sincere gratitude to the Japanese government for this great gift. As you can see, we have 5 brand new tractors, two of the 5 are here. It was kindly donated by the Japanese government through the grant aid program. And in total, there were 9 tractors. 4 we have given to the Fiji Rice in Northern Division to help the farmers, rice farmers in Lambasa and Raketi. The government of Japan had initially given 4 excavators and chainsaws to the Fijian government, and we are distributing them to different ministries, and to also 1 excavator has gone to the Fiji Rice. This assistance will enhance the agriculture sector, as agriculture is the principal source of livelihoods for Fijians, whether it's subsistence farming or little commercial farming. And with these machines, it will certainly boost our production. I thank the Japanese government for its unwavering commitment and support towards Fiji's national prosperity, particularly through the projects that have positively impacted the livelihood of communities in Fiji. Fiji is looking to Japan as a potential partner to help us realize the immense potential in our agriculture sector. The 5 tractors that we will be handing over today is another milestone of Japan's support to develop our agriculture sector by assisting our farmers to not only to till the land and prepare the land, but to become commercially viable and be able to support their family needs. Japan has indeed been a steadfast partner in development of Fiji, and we look forward to further building a stronger relationship between our 2 countries. These 5 tractors will assist our farmers in timeliness of their land preparation, as these tractors have specifications that suit our farmland preparation and in rural areas. With improved mechanization of farms, we also hope it will encourage more young farmers' participation in agriculture. Agricultural assistance such as this will help in improving production to achieve food security and promote health and nutrition. These machines will be used to increase and improve local crop production to address alarming food security issues and family consumption. Also, it will assist the local farmers with their much needed cash income to sustain them and their families. Fiji is very fortunate to have these opportunities. This assistance demonstrates government's commitment to improve service delivery in the rural farming communities. Government services in rural areas are normally challenged with accessibility. Land preparation for farmers are mostly challenged due to the shortage of technologies and machines. From 2010 till date, the number of requests from farmers for land preparation had reached more than 15,000, of which 13,600 have been assisted, and the list continues to grow because demands are increasing. Government's commitment to agriculture has always been there, and it will always be there, and agriculture remains one of a key sector that will create jobs and build our economy. This is why government is committed to developing and ensuring our agriculture sector realizes its true potential. On Wednesday, the Honorable Prime Minister, in his address at the National Agriculture Show, gave his reassurance on government support to the Fijian farmers, which will remain unrelented in the years ahead and will keep providing smart and targeted assistance for enduring success. Government is here to ensure that we build to the future so that we cannot only celebrate a job well done today, but it can rest easy, knowing that we did not settle for quick fixes, but we have to provide agricultural land preparation and that works and can be dependent on rain or shine and network of infrastructure. Government is optimistic that 5 tractors will be used for its intended purposes to help our farmers and the agriculture sector to grow our economy. So ladies and gentlemen, warmly congratulate the Minister of Agriculture and the Permanent Secretary for his insights and innovative methods. As you know that Fiji has got issues with the shortage of labor in the agriculture sector. Mechanization is the only option that we have to reduce this gap, and these tractors will no doubt be great help to the agriculture. So the Permanent Secretary, on behalf of the Prime Minister, we are happy to hand this tractors over to you, and we want to see that this is put to good use and the machines are well looked after. Thank you very much.